Hi everyone! Welcome back to our PrintGizmo tutorial series. Today we are going to show you how to add additional options to your products. This feature allows you to give your customers more customization choices when placing an order. What are additional options? They are extra selections you can add to products such as paper type, coating size, printing size, or special finishes. For example, when creating a business card product, you might include options for paper type finish and whether it is single-sided or double-sided. Here is how to create additional options in PrintGizmo. Log into your PrintGizmo dashboard and open the product you want to update. In the Action dropdown, select Options. Then click the Add button on the Additional Options page to create a new option. Enter the option name and description in the title and description boxes. And assign it to a presentation group. Choose the display style and sorting order. Select the option type, which could be a drop-down menu, radio buttons, checkboxes, text box, or file upload. Add attributes for the option like 4x6 or 5x8 and set any additional pricing if needed. Save your changes and you will see the option listed under your product. You can also assign the same option to multiple products for consistency by creating options groups by clicking Options Group. Set combined pricing when multiple options are selected together using the Combine Price button. You can also add rules to hide or show certain pages in the Designer Studio based on selected options with the Designer Rules button, and upload preview images so customers can see how the option looks on their product design. That is it. You have successfully added additional options in PrintGizmo. If you need any help, our support gurus are always available through live chat. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.